Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to PM Weather. I am student meteorologist Alex Herbst. Taking a look at the Plymouth State webcam, we saw mostly cloudy skies throughout the day today, which did give way to a few snow showers later in the day. Those really did not accumulate too much here in central New Hampshire, but we could see a few more during the overnight hours. I wouldn't expect that to be a great chance, though. Our high today here in Plymouth was at about 21 degrees, with a low set at about 8 o'clock this morning at about 16 degrees. The normals for this time of year are 32 and 7, with record high set back in 1990 of 53 degrees and a record low set back in 1975 of 18 below zero. Thankfully, we were nowhere near either of those temperatures today. Currently, we saw the sunset happen at about 5:10 this evening, which is giving way to an 81% illuminated moon that will be moving its way towards a full moon by the end of this week. The sunrise will be at about 6:53 a.m. tomorrow. Current conditions here in Plymouth as of 4:30 this evening show a temperature of 21 degrees, a dew point of 6. Humidity is at about 45%, so it's not too uncomfortable outside if you don't mind the cold. Winds were out of the north-northwest at about 6 miles an hour. Pressure was at about 30.04 inches and rising, and a visibility for a good 10 miles. Temperatures around New Hampshire showed 21 in Concord, 21 in Plymouth, 22 in Rochester, and 20 down in Jaffrey. New England and the Northeast have temperatures ranging from 19 up in Burlington to 28 in Providence and 29 in Bridgeport, Connecticut. Nationwide, we saw temperatures that ranged from 7 degrees in Minneapolis, the icebox here on this map, to as warm as 80 degrees down in Miami, Florida. We see a cold front that is currently passing through the southern states, bringing in cold air with it. 31 degrees right now, the reading in Dallas, compared to 58 in New Orleans, Louisiana. Our satellite and radar composite showed mostly cloudy skies over much of New Hampshire today, bringing with it occasional snow showers for the northern half of the state. Like I said, those could come back tonight, as there are some more showers that are seen over here in Vermont, but those are going to be scattered, and right now the chances of those occurring are slim. Around the Northeast, we saw mostly cloudy skies as well today, though parts of southern New England and New Jersey were able to break out of the clouds for some sunshine today. We are expecting, though, that our next storm system will be entering the picture from the south. This rain that we're currently seeing over Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana will be helping to create our next storm system that could bring some snow, hefty amounts to southern New England and the mid-Atlantic, but possibly a small to moderate accumulation here in New Hampshire. Our current model forecast shows a great day shaping up for Tuesday and Wednesday as high pressure continues to build in from the southwest. Temperatures will continue to be cold during these days. However, as you can see, no clouds in the sky, no precipitation to be worried about. Looks to be a great day to get outside. Temperatures will be dropping tonight into the single digits throughout much of New Hampshire and the teens for parts of southern New England, with temperatures expected to then rise throughout the day tomorrow into the upper teens to low 20s for much of New England. Temperatures overnight tomorrow night will get bitter cold, as possibly below zero readings are seen in parts of northern New Hampshire and Vermont. Our PM weather forecast shows it is very cold throughout here in New England and parts of the Northeast, and that cold air is not going away for the next 2 days as high pressure continues to build in from our southwest. This high pressure will continue to build in for Tuesday and into Wednesday, but we'll be expecting another storm system that could be approaching from the south. That storm system could bring some snow and icy conditions to the mid-Atlantic, while snow will be more in the offing for southern New England. These could be high accumulations possibly, and PM weather will keep you on top of those accumulations as they occur. So tonight's forecast for us here in Plymouth, we'll be looking at 3 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Winds will be out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tomorrow we'll be expecting partly cloudy skies with a high around 21. Wind chills could still be a factor tomorrow as winds will be coming out of the northwest at about 5 to 10. Tomorrow night, bitter cold as temperatures will be dropping likely below zero throughout much of central New Hampshire. We're putting it at 5 below here in Plymouth, with mostly clear skies and winds being calm. For the extended forecast, we can see that tomorrow's temperatures will be pretty cold with expected wind chills that could drop down into the single digits. But Thursday is the big story right now, as there could be some snow that enters the picture into New Hampshire. Snow accumulations are still pending, as the storm has still a lot of variability in its track and its intensity. So stick with PM weather for all the latest this week on this possible storm. For PM weather, I'm Alex Herbst. Have a great night.